let's go on. Inspired Change. Hey, Inspired Change says, so we have access to the smaller version courses if you're part of the larger program too. Yeah, the larger program, you have everything. How you doing? Yeah, larger program, you have access to everything. Every single thing. And then we're gonna all meet now, starting whenever the new people start up. Our first session, I think, is on Tuesday every month this week. What is the next session? Hold on. The next session is, hold on, let me tell you the dates for next month, actually, because I got it here. So next week on the 9th, we are meeting on a Wednesday at 7 Eastern. And then the following week is on a Tuesday. The 21st is on a Monday. And then the 29th is on a Tuesday. So we try to alternate the dates so different people can come, because other people are worshiping on Tuesday. Some people worship on Wednesday. Some people worship on Thursday. Some people got night school. Some people got this. Woo! Thank you, Inspire Change. She says it's worth every cent. I am great, still training, LOL. Inspire Change, you know I don't know who you are on here. And when you tell me in the chat, if you tell me, I'm going to be like, oh, okay, I know who that is. Oh, Pamela's saying that too. Thank you, Miss Pamela. She's doing amazing things too. She's knocking it out the box with the field inspections too. Cheryl. Okay, Cheryl. Yes. Thank you, honey. I see your name all the time. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you for the kudos too. I appreciate it. You guys are really amazing. But I just need y'all to come from behind the scenes and tell people about this program. But I'm going to just have to start shouting y'all out. I told y'all I'm going to just start doing it. So I gave them the option recently. They can opt out via email and tell me they didn't want their picture out there. But if they didn't opt out, it's about to go down, because y'all got to know what's going on in Notary Educators. All right, guys. Nothing else? Well, have a great weekend, everybody. I'll give y'all a few more minutes to see if we got any. I see we still got people joining it. And that's why I hate leaving the live when we got so many people that are coming in. So let's see. Anything else before we call it a day? Because now I'm about to go find me something to snack on. I need a snack, y'all. It's so doggone hot. Ooh, y'all be safe out there. Make sure you have Gatorade. I was underestimating the need for Gatorade. Like if you're out, your electrolytes. I'm not a doctor, but I played one. But I realized that you gotta have more than just water out there. I'm telling you. So get your water and electrolytes, like your Gatorade and stuff like that, so you can keep up your energies and stuff. You know, because that heat is something else. Don't let me hear y'all talking about I had a heat stroke out there. All right, guys. Well, I am going to say bye, and I wish you all much success. Again, check out the 2 programs. Now there really are no excuses this year for nobody to be left behind. You have your commission, you have your supplies. A lot of you already have your printers, you got paper, you got everything, and you don't know what to do. Let today be the end of that, and come on over to Notary Educators and let us help you to get on the right track, to use your commission, to make it a business, not just a hobby. Okay? Make your money. Help the people in the community. You can do all of that at the same time. There's nothing to say, well, I could be a notary, but I can't make money. Wrong. You can do both. I'm going to a hospital setting tomorrow, and this person has had a stroke. Okay? And the question was, can they do a, hold on, because I got to get the word for y'all. Can they do can they do a proxy? Can they do a proxy? I know Pamela is knocking out the box with them field inspections. Yes, you're doing amazing. Thank you for sharing that. Yeah, can they do a proxy? And I was like, I don't think so. Because Georgia just got rid of credible witness. You can't even do that no more. So I was thinking, nah, you can't do no proxy. For those of you who don't know, proxy is the person had a stroke. So she's saying that they can't sign anything. So they want somebody to sign the document on behalf of the client. No go. So I asked her, I said, well, can he put the pen in his mouth? She said he can write with he's really right-handed, but he could write with his left because the stroke affected the right side. I said, oh, okay, that's different. As long as he can sign something, he can put it in his mouth and sign it. He can sign an X, he can sign a line. Any of the above will work, but you cannot let me speak proper English. For my real educators out there, if we got a real educator, don't kill me. Those that have a master degree, etc., 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 etc. Okay. But I do speak a couple languages, so I'm not illiterate. But, we just talk that other language. So anyway, that being the case, so no, they cannot use a proxy. They cannot. So what's going to happen is the client is going to sign with their left hand. So it's not going to look like their regular signature, and that's cool. Okay, I'd rather have some signature than nothing. As a matter of fact, that's what the law says, actually. So you got to follow the state law. I don't care what the client wants. You got to follow what the law says and what your handbook say. Okay? All right, guys. Well, that is it. As always, on behalf of Notary Educators and Notary Educators with Kimmi, it has been my pleasure, and I shall see you all soon in one of our upcoming sessions, okay? And then don't forget, no man left behind right now. That's it. That's it. No more excuses. Start with the small. Come on up to the big plan, okay? Bye, guys. Until later. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you over in training, chat, something, or here on YouTube. Bye. You're welcome, Esley. Have a great one. Bye-bye.